Gross. Okay. You can fight. Hey guys, she's good. Be good also, please. Milo. Yes. Come on, teamwork. Right there. You can do it. No. Not working.
Let it go. This is between you and me. You had your chance.
How there? Come on. Time to throw one of your things, but with one of the crystals inside.
You did good.
It's not gonna hold. What do you want to do? Like, what is the objective right there? Yes? Okay, you remember all of what he did? It looks beautiful, but
Please stop hovering.
I'm not sure how to do that, sir.
This is not what Piltover's future looks like, my dear boys.
That's for the council to decide.
yes.
Perhaps
It's
time
stable?
for the era of magic.
Hashtag.
Yes, send it. Come on. Ah, it's gonna. I'm sorry. Come on, quicker. Closer, quicker. We need a Again. Twice. Not that much. She probably. Oh, I'm afraid for all this now. No! Milo! Stop! Landa, okay, you're alive. Oh, it was not supposed to be that much. And you're not even dead. We lost some of them for nothing right now. Oh, the music is. Bye, you're alive. But your two friends are not. You're recognizing. Your sister. Yes, she did it. She's not dead. If you think that she's dead, she's not. The music is good, but... He did it! Himself, I mean, he did it himself. You're gonna... Oh, these two friends, brothers, fighting like that? For the second time? And of course you're still alive, you.
You still had it in you. Find the girl.
He's not dead. You're not dead. Drink! Okay, you're gonna turn into a monster for some time, but after that, you're gonna return to normal. Drink. I swear, drink. Good, 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 good. You don't look good. Yes! Oh, save her. Can we have news about Powder? You're gonna be okay.
Take care of Powder.
I thought that he was gonna be okay.
Light work! Did you see me? My monkey bone finally worked!
Oh, when she's gonna understand.
You did this.
You didn't understand?
Why?
To save you. She couldn't know.
They were saving me. I only wanted to help. I only wanted to
I
help.
told you to stay away.
Oh, don't.
I told you to stay away!
Don't do that!
Because you're a jinx! Do you hear me? Milo was right.
Violet, that's your real name. That's Jinx Violet. Oh.
Violet, please!
I don't want to go.
I need you, please!
Stop screaming like that. It's. Poor kid. She didn't want to do that. She. Don't you dare. What? You want to help you? Will.
Hello, little girl. Where's your sister?
She left me. She is not my sister anymore.
Tell me that you're faking it? I'm not sure of it.
It's okay.
Not at all.
Luciana. We will show them all.
No, no, no! No trailer! I don't want to see that. I want to avoid spoilers, you know me. Oh, it's bad. It's so bad. You know, I have right there something that I hate to see into shows and movies and stuff. I know that it's great for the stories, for the characters to make that kind of things, but for me personally, into my heart, it's breaking me truly to have brothers or sisters fighting against each other. And right there we have Vander and Silco, and after that we have Vi and Powder, Violet and Jinx. Oh, I can't blame Vi, to do that because of the fact that she just saw the consequences of what Powder did. She didn't see what she wanted to do really with that. For her sister was far away and obeyed to her and was safe, and right there she intervened, and again things got wrong, and because of what she did, people died, their friends died, and their father died. Like, I can't blame Vi, for acting like that, for reacting like that, impulsively reacting like that. I can't blame her for that, but you can't go away. Like, right there, it's such a dangerous situation. You just lived such a rough stuff, and all your sister is crying in front of you, is devastated. You can be mad, you can blame her, you can do everything, but don't let her like that. No. And Powder, of course, she wanted to do good. Like, she couldn't know that it was gonna happen like that. I didn't know that it was gonna happen like that. I didn't know that we would have several explosions. Just one would have been enough, to create a diversion, to create something like that. Like, right there, it was several explosions, and with these consequences. I didn't expect at all to have this death, during this episode 3. It's only the 3rd episode. When at the beginning of the episode we had Benzo dying, I was like, oh, that's rough. They want to show us that they can kill characters just like that, and in such a rough way, bloody way. So I was like, okay, writers, I've got you, I've got what you want to do with that. But killing kids, friends, and after that a father, they just committed a Ned Stark. He's really dead. I had hope, when he fall like that with all of these poisons, potions, things around him, I was like, yes, you can take it, you're gonna get stronger, and after that you're gonna survive. He got stronger, he did that, he saved her, but he didn't survive. Oh, for the situation after that, I'm thinking about the lanes, I'm thinking about the Undercity. If they don't have Vander anymore, or Benzo anymore to regulate them and their anger, I mean, these explosions and all with Silco, they're not gonna have the proof that it's Silco who did it. Maybe they're gonna blame the Enforcers. I can imagine that the situation, is gonna escalate. Marcus, you took Vi. If he sees you, he's gonna kill you. Yes, but what? You want to protect Vi now? I didn't appreciate that game. Oh, and Powder. She was not faking it, right, at the end. She saw what Silco did, and just because her sister was mad at her, she's ready to switch. Please. No, she's not only mad at her, she said that she was not ready, before that. And during that moment, she blamed her for everything that happened. She's in distress right there, Powder, because she wanted to save them, but again, she did something wrong. Her sister went away. She doesn't have anyone left. Do you understand what I mean? For a little girl, it's easy to just accept someone who is promising her that she's gonna have a better world, she's gonna have a better place, she's gonna have revenge, stuff like that. Oh, if Silco is discovering about the crystals, the blue crystals, I really thought that this experience, with Victor and Jace was gonna turn bad. Not at all. You succeeded. That was beautiful, really, what happened into that room. And of course, Mel, she's gonna help them with that situation. So you just proved that you can create magic, you know? Can you give it to people? Can you use it like that? That's gonna be the big deal, you know, for their narrative arc after that. That was rough. For an episode, that was pretty rough. I think that I'm gonna put the full reaction part on my Patreon. And for YouTube, it's gonna be hard to only keep things for one video. I think that I'm gonna be forced to make a part 1 and a part 2 right there. So many things happened. It's only the episode 3 and already so many things happened. Main characters died. I think that we're gonna have a time jump, you know, between this episode 3 and the episode 4. A time jump would be useful for the Jace and Victor situation, to be at the step after that. Not have them explaining themselves to the council, to not have the boring parts, and to be at the step where they're trying to use it, they're trying stuff, they're making more experiences and all. It would be great to have a time jump for them, but also for the situation with Silco, with all of these monsters, and for Powder, to have her growing up, to see what role she's gonna take in Silco's group, to have him have more forces and power, because right there, the place where he was, it was destroyed, and you know, to have also a time jump for Vi, and for the Lanes, what is gonna happen right there. You know, the situation I think is gonna go worse and worse now that they don't have Vander to regulate the situation, to keep peace into this Undercity. Yes, a time jump maybe would be interesting after this episode 3. I watched these 3 episodes and I didn't cry, but I already had some tears for them. I already made theories to try to understand what they're coming from. I'm getting involved into this show with these characters. It's a good sign. I'm glad that I decided to react to this show. It's gonna demand me so much work, you know. In addition of the work that I'm already gonna have for this month of November and December, like really, I'm already reacting to Attack on Titan, Death Note and The Legend of Korra. Soon we're gonna have The Expanse, La Casa de Papel and The Witcher. And I want to react to another show, and now also to Arcane with 3 episodes dropped at once, 3 times like that. And you're gonna end by having 4 videos on one day, you know, at some point. I'm glad that I took some advance, you know, on my videos, you know, for the binge watching of shows which are already out. I anticipated that, you know, the fact that it was gonna demand me a lot of work during these 2 months, but now that I have one more show, a lot of work. If you want to support me, you have my Patreon. And again, on Patreon, each time you're gonna have these 3 episodes sooner on one day, and I will post these episodes on YouTube one by one each day. And also on Patreon, it's an extended off reaction part. Right there for the episode 1, 7 minutes longer. For the episode 2, I'm gonna put the extended reaction part also. And I think that for this episode 3, I'm gonna put the full reaction part, if you can be interested. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video right now, so I will see you for the next 3 episodes. Maybe with my K-pop shirt, it's gonna depend on your comments, if they're gonna be nice or not. I'm still stressed about that. We'll see. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me you built a time machine?
Hey.